Today we're breaking down a key concept in HVAC, degree days. Degree days help us estimate how much heating or cooling is needed based on the outdoor temperature. The base temperature we use is 65 degrees Fahrenheit. If the average temperature for the day is below 65 degrees Fahrenheit, we calculate heating degree days, or HDD. If the average is above 65 degrees Fahrenheit, we calculate cooling degree days, or CDD. Here's how it works. Let's say the high temperature today was 85 degrees and the low was 60 degrees. To find the average temperature, we add both and divide by 285 plus 60, 2 equals 72.5 degrees. Since 72.5 is above 65, we subtract 65 from it to get the cooling degree days. 72.5, 65 equals 7.5 cooling degree days. Now let's look at a heating example. Suppose the high was 40 degrees and the low was 19. That gives us an average of 40, 19, 2 at 29.5 degrees. Because that's below 65, we subtract it from 65, 29.5 equals 35.5 heating degree days. So whether you're sizing equipment or calculating energy usage, degree days help make accurate decisions in the HVAC world.